This book mainly focuses on the precious teachings of H. Jigme Phuntsok Rinpoche during his travels to Europe and North America to spread the Dharma in 1993. For a person who truly seeks liberation, these profound teachings that arose naturally from the ocean of Rinpoche's wisdom are priceless beyond all else, especially for those who never met him. Just reading this book is equivalent to meeting Choj in person and listening to his teaching face to face. This book is a true documentation of the teachings given by a great Buddhist master in this modern age. For Dharma practitioners, they can find the actual pith instructions they need for their own practice right here. For Dharma teachers and propagators, they can be inspired by these stories about H. Jigme Phuntsok Rinpoche. Lineage disciples can be inspired by his spirit of propagating the Dharma for the benefit of all beings.